There's a lot to say about, technology, but nothing's going to replace personal interaction, especially in our business. And so being able, I love to just meet people, but add, you have so much value that you represent for your clients that it's actually so easy for me just to make that introduction.
Yeah. That was awesome, though. I'll never forget that.
It was so great.
Yeah, I was like, oh my God, we're famous. I was waiting to see like the Selling Sunset stars to be like, Trishelle, what's going on in season 2? Yeah. But it was so cool. But it was interesting because like I've been to those kind of events before without an introduction, and it's a very different experience. And you just go, you look, you have your hors d'oeuvres, you have a cigar, and that's it. But I think having somebody like you who has those relationships from years and years and years and wanting to do business, like it was such a beautiful thing to be like, oh, it was so fun to like partner up. And I know there's going to be a lot more deals that happen as a result of that. It's like, I feel like it makes doing deals very efficient and quick and really nice. So thank you for that.